What's up everybody? Welcome back to the Unknown Outdoors. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and hit that like button if you haven't subscribed yet. But please hit that like button. Alright, on another hike today. Back on the Buckeye Trail. We have done this hike already. So if you guys recognize it, that's why. But I haven't recognized the trail because last time we did it, it was no leaves on the trail. There's tons of blowdowns, all kinds of stuff. This is a trail that actually goes to the dam. We're not going to make it to the dam, guys. Promise you that. We're not doing it today. The reason I'm out here today is because I had to show someone this area. Because this area has had 5 counts already this year within 1 month of sightings on this trail. 5 sightings just this in a 1 month period, just to let you guys know. So for those of you that are on here for my Bigfoot stuff, please watch this video. You guys, you know I'm gonna be hiking it. And for you guys, I'm sorry, for you guys that watch the Bigfoot stuff, please watch it. You never know what's hiding and what's following me. Right there's Jack, the cameraman. He's with me on this hike today. He's also videotaping. He's going to drop this video as well. I thought I saw a deer run through here up here. I would love to get a deer on camera. I've been very unfortunate not to be able to do that every time I see one. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to put my navigation on. There he goes. You guys can't see him. Alright guys, I'm trying to put my navigation on. Just so I know how long I hiked today. Alright, I'm all set. Probably won't be, I don't know how far we'll get in today. I know Jack has a night hunt tonight that I cannot do. It's Mother's Day weekend. I cannot go out tonight. Again, I live an hour and a half from Jack and from this area, so I'm unable to stay around here tonight because I have to get home tonight, and I got to because it's Mother's Day, you know, it's Mother's Day weekend. So So today we're just out here. Actually, it's kind of, I don't know how far we're going to get. It's actually turning into finding tracks, finding evidence, because of the recent sightings. I know there's going to be more sightings a lot further down than this. I just don't know if we're going to get there. I'm hoping we do. Because I would love to show Jack that area as well. But it's going to be a heck of a hike to get there, because we're coming across so many like we found X's and stuff. Jack's got them on his channel. I didn't. It's a big tree, old tree. Ooh, here you guys go. Looks like some kind of a track. Yeah, I am on trail, but I haven't seen any foot tracks from anybody yet. From anybody yet, like, you know, anybody hiking it, because it has been raining. This is our very first day that that we got. And then people on the Buckeye Trail are not this far yet. They won't be this far for another month, I would think. Unless you guys on the if you are on the Buckeye Trail and you do watch my videos through this far, and you're through hiking it through this far, let me know. Like I said before, I'll help you out. Tree bends. Where are you at? Right here. Oh, I see you. Do I gotta go around? You should see the trail markers right in front of you. Okay, so right through here? Yep. Follow the follow the trail markers. I don't see them. All right, good. I'll be right back. I gotta get Jack on this side. All right, there's Jack there. He's trying to figure out how to get to this side. How about him out here? You see the trail markers? Yeah, it's a little overgrown in that area. We're going to continue on. If I see anything cool, I'll zoom in. I'm trying to learn that zoom in for you guys because a lot of you guys are asking for that. So if I see anything cool, I'll zoom in on it. Remember, guys, you guys walking the Buckeye Trail. There is a campground here. So alright, I'm not seeing that. I'm not seeing anything. Alright, guys. Okay. So whatever it was ran this way in front of us, right along this trail. I'm not seeing any tracks. I'm really not even seeing where any leaves or anything like a tracker would find. Well, here we go, guys. Alright, I'm not going to zoom in on that because YouTube might. Anyway, it's a dead raccoon. So I'm not going to zoom in on it because that's something that YouTube might be against. I'll call Jack over here, and if he wants to zoom in on it, he can. And I'll let you guys can see it on his channel. But that's kill. Look what I found. Alright guys, I'll be right back.
basically solitary animals, they will.
Watch yourself. I told you. Are you all right?
Yeah. Boom. Yeah, I'm good.
You sure?
Man down. Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. I told you it's muddy.
Huh?
I told you it was slick there.
Oh, yeah. It's pretty slick. But those raccoons, they when they're old, they'll go die on on their own. They're not gonna die right on.
They die in their dens.
Yeah, in the den. They're not gonna die on trail. That's strange, huh? Take the camera.
Alright guys, we're out. Jack and I just took a quick break. Got some water. He's still back there. You see the blue? That's him. He's still back there. He started filming. I'm going out ahead of him. Just so what I normally do, I get out ahead of him and I look for stuff for him. Stuff for him to film. That's why this channel was made, is the second camera for him. But as you guys know, it's hard, for a while there, it's hard for me to meet up with him, him being an hour and a half away, about an hour away from me. And, yeah, I think, trying to see, this is where I get lost sometimes. I see. Okay, it's this way. This is where we had to cross at one time. I may go down there and cross and come over here somewhere. I don't know. I'm looking for tracks in this mud. Don't ever do this at home. I teach you guys bad manners when I'm on trail like this. There's a break. Something I look for when I'm tracking, even tracking anything. Humans, animals, I look for something that's kind of high up. So it's not going to be a deer doing that, and that's pretty thick for a deer to break. You guys tell me. Alright guys, I'm back with you. I found him. I mean, even those ferns are gorgeous.
Yeah.
A couple more months, those ferns will be huge.
Yeah, they will. And they're edible.
Yeah, you can eat those ferns.
You can also make a tea out of them.
Yeah. It's the root system in them you can eat, I think.
Yeah. Still have that feeling something's washing.
Yeah,
Strange.
I have it. Pretty cool tree. Look at that tree. That's a cool looking tree.
It's like a play yard.
Yeah, doesn't it? Jack was saying it looks like a play yard. All in there.
You know what I haven't seen though?
What's that?
In the past 3 places that I've been finding like edible plants pulled up and put on trail.
Oh.
Just strange.
Sometimes when I get to hiking, my mind's in hiking. I'm not looking for tracks. Then I snap back and say, well, I'm out here looking for tracks. I've already hiked this trail. I'm looking for tracks. I brought Jack the cameraman out here to look for tracks. And sometimes I forget, and he's finding more than I am. That's why he keeps stopping. But I forget that because in my mind, I'm out here hiking today. Alright guys, we're heading back. Hope you guys found stuff. I'll video some going back. You never know what's following us. So yeah, anyway, we're heading back guys. And I'll video a little bit for y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. So, let's see. Make sure you guys, you put the thing, if you find anything, please put it in comments below. See, I want to show you. Part of tracking. Something is going this way. It stepped on that.
Oh yeah. Yep.
So you can tell something is going this way. Yeah. Because they stepped on that. part of tracking. See, here's another one going that way. Who knows what it was? Could be anything. Could have been another human or something. Who knows? There's something though. Alright guys, back with you. We made it up that hill just fine. Yeah, Jack almost fell again, but almost
Got myself.
But alright, we are almost back to the trailhead though, so I'm gonna call it here, guys. So we'll go up to this clearing here. So
thank you all for joining us today.
thank you so much. Just want to let everybody know, if you guys want to do a little bit more, donate to the channel so it gets us out traveling and stuff. There is a PayPal account in the description. That's all I'm going to say about it. I hate talking about that stuff, so it's in the description.
Really helps out.
It does help out a lot. It really does. So thank you guys so much. Please subscribe, hit that like button. That really helps us all out. That helps us out. If you guys can't do PayPal, that's fine. That stuff helps out by sharing it, by liking it, subscribing to it.
Absolutely. And it's free to subscribe, so it doesn't cost nothing to subscribe.
That's right.
So hit that subscribe button.
All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was awesome. Awesome, Jack. Thanks for coming out.
Oh man, loved it. Thank you.
It's a beautiful trail.
Wait for the night out here.
Yep.